Spider-Man. With great power comes great responsibility. So
actually, it was Peter Parker, but
Peter Parker, that was saying that, what I'm saying is, if you want this organization, which I believe needs to exist, and we want to work in a collective, we need to understand what have they been doing prior to that. You give people more responsibility, then more, if they're dysfunctional, you're going to have more dysfunction. Like I said, we need to know who's on the bus before we start moving forward. We have to decide what's best for Oakland before we negotiate with anybody. When I was an adolescent, I got a job at 15, I started selling clothes. But what I learned is how to negotiate with people, because I wanted that commission. I wanted them to buy clothes. So I needed them to know that I cared what they look like, but also wanted them to look good too, so they come back. We need to be better salespeople for Oakland. We're not selling our city, and we're not getting what we're worth for our city. We need to make sure people know that we care about Oakland, but at the same time, we're not going to sell out to corporate interests and do things just to get the deal done.
Thank you.